Let's fill out the Florida cat bill of sale together, so both sides walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the cat's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the cat. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. Specifics make a stronger record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Here is what your state requires when selling a cat. First, the cat must be at least 8 weeks old before it can be sold. Selling a kitten younger than that is not allowed. The seller must have a current, official certificate of veterinary inspection, and that certificate must be on hand at all times while the cat is being offered for sale. That exam must have taken place no more than 30 days before the sale happens. When the sale is complete, the seller must give the buyer 1 copy of that official veterinary certificate. The seller also needs to keep their own copy for at least 1 year after the date of sale. And the veterinarian who performed the exam must keep their records for at least 1 year after the date of the examination. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.